Hi everyone, it is the 28th of February 2017 and this is the Paku Waterfall in Mulu National Park in the state of Sarawak on Borneo in Malaysia. Yeah, wonderful feeling just to be in the water right now. It's a bit cool, temperature of the water, but it's great after you've been on an hour hike from the park headquarters to get to this point. Right now I'm the only one here, so it's really secluded. The whole park itself is really great. There's not too many people. There is tourism, but not so much. Definitely, it's a remote place. You have to fly in here realistically. Or you can take a multi-day trek to get to this part of Borneo. And you can see and further up here. It's so beautiful in this park. You can hear nature all around you, just get away from it all and relax and just kind of rediscover nature in a way. It's really cool. So that's what I'm doing here. Cheers!